Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are digging into one of the biggest decisions you will make on any deck project, choosing between wood and composite decking for your backyard. This choice affects how your deck looks, how long it lasts, how much time you spend maintaining it, and how well it stands up to our wet Seattle weather. Let us start with wood decks, since that is what most people picture first. Traditional wood options include pressure-treated lumber and cedar. Pressure-treated boards are usually the more budget-friendly choice and are commonly used for framing and decking. Cedar costs more but gives you a warmer, more natural look and is naturally more resistant to rot and insects than many other softwoods. Wood feels familiar underfoot and can be stained in different colors, which some homeowners really like. The trade-off with wood is maintenance. With our long rainy season, wood decks need regular cleaning and periodic staining or sealing to keep out moisture. If that maintenance slips, you can start to see issues like graying, splinters, raised nails or screws, and eventually soft or rotting spots. Over 10 to 15 years, the cost of stain, sealers, and sometimes board replacement can add up, especially if the deck gets a lot of use or sits in shade where it stays wet longer. Now let us talk about composite decking. Composite boards are made from a blend of materials, often wood fibers and plastics, designed to handle outdoor conditions without the same level of upkeep as wood. Brands like Trex build boards that resist rot, fading, and insect damage, and they are designed so you never have to stain or seal them. For many homeowners, the appeal is simple. You spend more time using your deck and less time working on it. Composite decking comes in a wide range of colors and surface textures, including looks that mimic natural wood grain. That can make it easier to match your home's style or tie your deck into a patio, walkway, or future outdoor kitchen. Cleaning is usually as simple as a gentle wash with soap and water a few times a year. You still need to keep an eye out for dirt, pollen, and basic wear, but you are not sanding and staining every couple of years. Of course, cost is part of the decision. In many builds, wood decking will have a lower upfront price than composite, especially for basic pressure-treated boards. Composite often costs more initially, but may balance out over time when you factor in lower maintenance and longer service life. The right answer depends on how long you plan to stay in your home, how much maintenance you are willing to do, and what matters most to you: the lowest entry cost today or a surface that should stay more consistent over the long haul. Structure is another key piece that homeowners sometimes overlook. No matter which surface you choose, your framing, footings, and connections need to be built for safety and durability. That includes the posts in the ground, the beams carrying the load, and how the deck ties into your house. A solid structure under a composite deck makes just as much sense as under a wood deck, especially in a climate with rain, wind, and freeze-thaw cycles. It also helps to think about the rest of your outdoor plan. If you know you want to connect your deck to a patio, add a pergola later, or leave room for a possible sunroom or outdoor kitchen, your material choice can set you up for that future work. Composite can be a strong option when you want a consistent, low-maintenance surface that ties into different zones. Wood can make sense when you are phasing a project and want more flexibility with stains and finishes as you go. If you are still unsure, imagine living with each deck 5 or 10 years from now. Are you comfortable setting aside time every couple of seasons to restain and seal a wood deck, or would you rather do basic cleaning and leave it at that? Both options can be safe and attractive when they are built correctly. The right choice is the one that fits your home, your maintenance comfort, and your long-term plans for the space. If you would like help thinking through your options, you can reach our team at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuildersseattle.com to learn more about our deck construction services. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we focus on strong structure, solid materials, and outdoor spaces that feel good to use every day. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle, and we will talk with you in the next episode.